Okay, the stream's been going on for a while. We just uploaded an update video concerning the storm. So yeah, right now, lots been going on since the storm has been started streaming. It's when we first checked, it was around here. It's way past it now. So we need to see how. So right now I'm uploading another update video. We need to see. We need to see how strong are these winds supposedly. So yeah, right now, 70 miles per hour winds. This is a very, very strong storm. Look at that! Look at that! Do we see this? Am I seeing this correctly? 140 miles. I know that isn't surface wind, but 140 miles per hour. That is terrifyingly strong. And right now, the wind's heading west. They're heading. These are the surging winds. They're heading this direction. At around, approximate 30 knots, 15 knots, 15 knots. It's more like going 52 knots. As we see, these winds could gust up. We see some pockets right here that go up to 60 miles per hour. That's severe thunderstorm. That's able to be severe thunderstorm warned. But this is a very dangerous storm. Look at that though. Apparently it's a tornado. This isn't a tornado. It isn't. It's right now. It's not radar indicated as well. Either way, this is a strong storm. Look at that. It's intensifying though. You can see that it's been blossoming though, dude. 140 miles per hour winds. Like how? How is this possible? Fort Dot right now, if we take a look at this, at the track of this, these strong winds expected to pass 11:04. Right now the winds are about to go through Madrid. Oh my, this is intense. So I don't know how we're gonna be able to track this thing. This is about to be an automated stream. This is going to be afternoon, and then afternoon we're gonna start another live stream that I'm actually gonna be in. We're gonna be tracking down these storms. These storms are gonna be very strong. These are gonna be very intense. Actually, these might be one of the stronger storms. We need to see. But if we look at the hourly forecast for where I'm located anyways, they're saying rain starting at 2, scattered strong storms start at 2 to 3 p.m. And then they're saying more rain, 4 inches expected. Whoo! Another inch, half an inch, quarter of an inch, and then hundredths and 200ths, and then that's it. Man, ooh, then we're expecting more rain going to on its following. This is gonna be a long day, but still, look at this. Perry, Barkley, Bhutan, and Woodward. It's experiencing strong seas winds, 70 miles per hour winds, wind gusts, and quarter-sized hail. Ooh. We have a small mesocyclone. So this is So this is intense. So we'll be right back after the commercial break. Okay, so folks, this is oh my, this is intense. This is one of the stronger storms. Oh my. No. Okay. I'm sad. I did something bad. Okay, that was quick. Just gonna copy the link. We'll be right back. I mean, I'm gonna be still talking, but the radar indicated 140 miles per hour wind. Windward, Madrid. All expected to get 140 miles. Bhutan right now. Still experiencing it. Okay, we're good. We're all good. So, right now, pretty intense storm. So this is insane. So right now, Madrid is about to get affected by strong winds. They're right now facing around 60 miles per hour winds. This is gonna still push off to the east. So that's why this is one of the stronger. But still, this storm is still intensifying. This squall line is only gonna get longer. As if we switch down here, we have some more cells still trying to pop up, but they're gonna take some time to develop. Hopefully, we need them because this storm is not slowing down. Was that the beginning? I need to check what was like at the beginning of the stream. Where was it at? It was halfway to Des Moines, and it was halfway to Des Moines when it just passed through Omaha, and now it's about to hit Des Moines. So Des Moines, you're expected to face some winds. I mean, they're relatively weak compared to what we've seen. But a severe thunderstorm warning did get issued a tiny bit ago. As winds, 70 miles per hour wind, 80 miles per hour wind. That's hurricane force winds are expected. Des Moines, please take cover. This is definitely a dangerous storm. This is why we're tracking this right now. I'd be really honored. It's moving east at 70 miles per hour wind. So that's the speed limit of who knows how many states. You see the speed limit of some states. The speed limit of 70. They're expected 70 miles per hour winds. 80 though. 80. Winds of 80 miles per hour winds. 80 miles per hour winds. There's some parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Nevada, Utah, Wyoming, South Dakota, Idaho, and Montana. Then the 70 miles per hour winds is just the speed limit of California, Oregon, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, Missouri, Wisconsin, Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, Alabama, Mississippi, Florida, Georgia, North Dakota, South Dakota, West Virginia, Vermont. Oh my God, there's so many states. That's just that 80 miles per hour winds. Let me see. Like this is gonna be tracking. It looks like it's gonna be tracking down there. And it's gonna head. And it's starting to make a southern motion. So right now we've been seeing this. It was. Please, okay. We lagged out. Hello there, Man and Pro. Are we back?
Hello there, Man and Pro.
Okay, we're back. As I was saying, the stream lagged out.
Okay, we're back. As I was saying, the stream out.
Okay. We don't have to have the stream on now. But still, Rip Des Moines. You're right. They're expected 80 miles per hour winds. Let's see. Another severe thunderstorm warning just got issued. And we're sorting out that issue. 60 miles per hour gust. I mean, 60 is still terrifyingly strong, but still, it's not as bad as 80 or 70. But still, let me see what happens when it goes through here. This could be. Right now, we have the shear. Right now, if we look at the SPC outlook, we need to see if this. If we looked at the convective outlook, right now there's an enhanced risk for northern Illinois. We just got bullseye well. As of right now, to the progressive shortwave, there's a pretty large trough though. That was in North Dakota, South Dakota, on the border that developed these lines. These lines of storms shifted south. It looks like the track. It looks like it started around right. The first cells were popping up around here, and then it made the southern motion and then turned to the east. As now, it's starting to forecast. As if we look in the front, it's right now gonna head right through here. As of right now, and then. It's been forecasted for a while. Now it was going to go right here. Models yesterday were saying that. And now they're saying it's going to go right here. But actually, and then now models have been saying it's going to go right here. Then when it crosses the Illinois Indiana border, it's going to weaken enough to where it's not going to be a big threat. It's just going to be a flash flooding threat. So Indiana, threat's still not over, but still you're under a moderate, part of it is under a moderate, but right now, if we look at the tornado risk has gone down though, but it's extended. It's not just in northern Illinois, it's now went to the eastern half of Iowa. Wind threat though, it's a solid 45 to 60. It's right now a high, but then right now hail is pretty good threat as well. So So right now, overall is an enhanced risk, but tornado risk has gone down, which is good. But still, the wind, as of right now, the radar is probably experiencing. Oh dang! Radar indicated 80 miles per hour winds. In Ankeny is right now another patch of around 90 miles per hour winds in Saylorville. So be ready for that. As the storm is we're gonna head back to reflectivity, as we're gonna see if a storm is expected. This particular strong cell is gonna be going through here, hitting around actual Des Moines at 11:02, which is in 4 minutes, in fact. Ooh. Des Moines, though, is expected to get hit. So right now, that was at 11:47. So that was 11 minutes ago. It's around on track 3 minutes. And then 11:17 is supposed to get Runnels. 11:32 is going to hit Monroe, Iowa, which is under a severe thunderstorm warning. As right now, we have some more cells developing right here. We might have to switch radars eventually, just in case we get an outage. But right now, if we see the main threats. The main threat right now is winds, hail, really damaging winds actually, damaging winds and hail. And then after that, it's going to be a torrential rain or flooding. So right now, we see some more popping up right here. As we see some more popping up around here. As they're going to push there, we're going to push on. As some more cells are going to be popping up, they're going to try to combine with this line. They're off. But this is going to become a very organized storm. Some cells are going to be popping up. And right now, the backside of the system, if you're getting hit by this, if you're getting hit by this, you should be very happy. Because you don't want this. Like, as if someone does track storms for a while, we don't see this very often. We had this storm exactly the same almost a month ago. It was July. What's it again? I need to go check back on the video. But on 11. But at 11:10. What was it? It was July 12th? I don't know. But still, right now, very strong storm. Right now, we're going at 50 knots, maybe? We need to see. We've seen these storms go at 70 miles per hour. They're going to be going really quickly. As we might get another situation like we did a month ago. Before the storm was created, actually. It was before the storm was created, yeah. Wasn't it? Yeah. Yeah, it was. Yep, it was 4 weeks ago. And it was July 12th. We saw one of the strongest storms. That was the strongest storm that has hit. Where that video was taken a full year ago. So, yeah. 15 years, actually. 15 years. I was wrong. Still. Insane storm. We see. It's more like hail. We need to see 100% severe hail. Okay. It looks like we have 1.5 inch hail. We have 1.25 inch. This is I'm gonna check back on the wind data. Let's see what's been going on. Okay. As of right now, what was very strong is right now crossing. So right now, these purple shades are going to be going away. we're going to be turning into these yellows, which indicates 70 to 90 miles per hour winds. So, this is. I don't think we're still way too far. We need to, before we can go on here. I think we're gonna wait until a storm gets near Oskaloosa before we change radars. Because this is a very, very, very strong storm. We can't tell you this enough. This is a very life-threatening storm. As they're moving east to 70, 80 miles per hour winds and quarter size hail. And power outages are likely. So, let's see what's going on here. 60 miles per hour winds were indicated. 60 miles per hour winds are. I'd take that over what's going on here. As they're starting to. Yeah, they're sinking a tiny bit south, if you can see. In the last few frames, is the easiest. You can see that it went like right down there. So, if it continues on that trend down Galesburg, Peoria, Washington, a lot, and then Peoria, but we need to see if this storm can hold up, though. That's the main challenge here. If it can hold up or not. Whew. So these storms are starting to get its act together. We're going to see some accumulation from these storms. We're seeing it's 11 minutes late. But we're seeing widespread 2 inches, I think. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, 2 inches. So, don't be surprised if you get around 2 to 3 inches of rain. Okay, yeah. Okay. So, Indianola, or whatever, I don't know how you pronounce it. Around some strong winds are probably entering your neck of the woods. 70, 80, just north of there. But right now, you're probably experiencing wind gusts up to 60, maybe 70. But Des Moines is probably getting ripped apart right now. 70 to 80 miles per hour. Maybe even 90. We need to see. Let's see what's going on here. So, the rain is right now going through Des Moines right now. Can't do much. The storm we haven't seen a storm like this in a while. Oskaloosa, be ready in an hour. So we need to say. Yep, it's 80, okay. Yeah. I would go out there, but I'm not going to. It feels like over 100. It feels like 105 right now. But we're gonna give you live coverage outdoors eventually. We need to see what's going on. What's going on in Cedar Rapids, because Sky's so slow. What's going on in Brooklyn, Iowa? Okay, severe thunderstorm watch. There seems to be issues. I don't know what's going on though. I don't know how long they've been issued for, but they've been issued probably for a while now. Okay, like they extended till Oskaloosa. But in the backside of the storm, there is still some lightning, it looks like. But these storms contains a lot of lightning. I don't know what to say at this point. This could be one of the strongest storms like in a while. Yeah, the line's been struggling to develop more cells, but because these cells are right now, they've been developing, then they die out immediately within like 10 minutes. So, yeah, I don't know what's going on at this point. I really don't know. But these storms are developing. And then these cells are just developing to the south. You've seen them around Creston. They're trying to develop, but they just die out within 10 minutes. We need to see what they... But right now, let's see the wind speeds. We're seeing a bunch of these yellow 80 miles per hour radar indicate in Mitchellville right now. Mitchellville. Carousel is right now experiencing around 80 to 90 possibly. Yeah, they're sinking to the south. Okay. So. As there's a line, another line's trying. There's like a small cluster of thunderstorms just south of Charlesville, north of Waverly, Waterloo. But Waterloo, I don't think Waterloo's gonna get hit. I think they're gonna get hit by the light rain. This is really hard to track because there's a ton of lightning though. West Union, you're about to get hit by these because this storm has frequent lightning. Postville, you're about there. If we're looking at these cells, 1131, Monaville, you're gonna be under the gun. 1201 for this cell. We need to see. And then Elgin around 11:45 and noon. So. Nope, these cells are definitely firing up now. I was about to say, I said a minute ago they were struggling. Now they're actually firing up. Let's check if there's not much to talk. There's a lot of stuff going on, and it's really hard to talk about right now. See, did they update the outlook for today? Let me see. But this is. Did I get rid of it? I don't remember. A minute. Okay, we did. Okay. We'll be. It's gonna take some time. We have to do some stuff. Before we are ready. See if they update the outlook. Because these storms are violent. As another severe thunderstorm warning, I just got issued. Yep, heading southeast or 5, moving east at 55 miles per hour, 60 miles per hour winds. $80 miles per hour winds. Oh, it's confirmed by law enforcement. We're doing something. I don't think we're gonna be able to. I have to just do that. 10, 1990. Okay. Okay. Okay, we're about to get through. Okay. No, I'm good. No. Okay. I'm sorry this is taking a long time. We have to get the storm prediction. Yep, they upgraded it to a moderate risk. We're into the moderate. Let's see the tornado risk. 5% now. They upgraded it. 45%. Oh my. They upgraded it. They upgraded severe weather. We're under a high risk. 60% chance of significant winds. And tornado risk is going down to 10%. So right now weather is not good. No, it's not good. So we'll be right back. Um. Oh, right. The football game might be my team might have to can't. The owners are right now thinking about canceling the football game.
Because of weather.
Yes.
But it'll be happening. That brings. Where's the game being played?
Your house probably. The game. But right now our team is right now.
Because I own stadium, so if the weather gets bad. Well, for the time being, the game will still happen. But if it starts raining, the game will end.
I mean, it will. Expected to go. It's supposed to hit here within the next 2 hours. We're expected 80 to 100 miles per hour winds as of right now. So right now, I'm addressing my concerns about the game because I said we might have to delay it early and postpone it to later.
I'm not close up the stadium.
Okay. I'm gonna address my concerns with Raiden, and so.
The basketball game will be fine.
Probably. I mean, it depends. If we have strong winds, then the basketball court's not gonna be in good shape.
The game is at 7.
I mean, it's not gonna be raining at 7. It'll pass by 7, but still, if we get damaging winds, a lot of trees are gonna be down. So your basketball court might not be.
An documentary on the storm.
I might. This is gonna be the new in TD Tornado weather history. This could be the strongest storm. As of right now, it's breaking records with wind speeds with over 107 miles per hour. With radar indicating 140.
Right, Des Moines.
I know Des Moines is not in a good mood. Is not in a good state.
Iowa has a.
Oh, another severe thunderstorm warning just got issued.
Bad.
90 miles per hour winds expected.
We should go in Biden's pool.
Yes, during the storm.
Yeah, it's. More than Philippines is also an option.
Yeah. So, yeah, we need to. I think I address my concerns about the major football game with Braden. To see if they want to.
During the storm, we're only gonna be inside in the basement.
I'm gonna probably be in the garage. And if it gets extremely bad, I'm gonna stay inside.
But if I get you.
I mean, I might get you. I don't know yet. We'll see what I'll do. Because this is a detriment. This is one of the strongest storms in TD tornado weather history.
I got a documentary on it.
If it gets that bad, I will.
And also, if you do get an interview from Freddie Couch.
I'll get an interview from a lot of people. It's gonna be a 2-hour-long documentary about the storm.
That'd be epic.
Yeah. So, the stream is still going on.
But the stream ended.
No, I got my Wi-Fi went out for like a minute. So I got knocked offline. Yeah, I got knocked offline. So. But now it's online again.
Epic.
Yeah, stream is gonna go on for a couple more hours, probably for several more hours actually. It will, but that's why radar coverage might only go on till like 12:30 or 1. I'm gonna report. I'm gonna stream it. I'm gonna stream the storm hitting
Like that little Wonder Woman versus Spider-Man.
Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. We even won that.
Actually, that's why that's the video.
That's why I say that. I don't know why you streamed it though.
Is it better than Wonder Woman versus Spider-Man or You Know the Way?
They're both amazing. But Wonder Woman versus Spider-Man's the best one out of them.
That video can't physically come back.
Yeah, I'm still sad about that.
No one ever can come back. And you also pressed some Spider-Man in it though. I should have put Wonder Woman in ATV creative and Prohibitus Kane versus Spider-Man.
Yeah.
That was an intense battle though.
Agreed. Okay, we can switch to the Davenport radar. It's now close enough.
Just make up rap about the storm on TV weather.
I might. Who knows? Depends.
Have it featuring
This could be one of the. But if this storm causes enough damage, I'm gonna make a documentary on it.
My God.
So,
Look at this track on this track, God.
it's gonna come out with another one. Just give it some time.
And this track God's gonna release a whole album this year. Just missing one of the members for every single song.
Oh. Okay, more cellular development. Waterloo is under fire now. Expect to get hit by one of these strong cells. How much hail? Half an inch, quarter of an inch. Okay. So this is gonna be one of the strongest storms.
How is doing that DD tornado running react?
I don't know. I haven't uploaded on it in a while.
YouTube are losing like 300 views from over 200 views on their channel.
Oh, it was bad. But Nico yesterday was not happy again. He was at his peak. He was at his peak anger. He's been in a really bad mood. Because yesterday Breeze kept killing him. And I kept killing him repeatedly. So wasn't happy at all. So I'm gonna express my concerns. I'm gonna leave the call now.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Hi, I can't answer your phone.
1 minute. We'll be. So right now, I'm gonna have to address my concerns. This is one of the strongest storms. Severe thunderstorm watch just got issued for everyone. For now, every place east. We're gonna go back to this. when it gets to halfway to Cedar Rapids, we'll be. Now at 1 p.m. is what we're expected, right? Oh, that's okay, severe thunderstorm watch just got issued. Scatter strong storms, scatter strong storms, scatter thunderstorms, scatter thunderstorms, scatter. I don't know what to say at this point. Newton. Oh, what's the wind? 80 miles per hour winds. Oh my. Oh my. This is just mind blowing. This might actually go to the north. Let's see. I'm not sure what's possible. This might miss. If it does, it's just gonna go right north. Right in the middle. So everyone in northern Illinois, in southern Wisconsin, and eastern Iowa, western, and also western northwest Indiana, you're under severe thunderstorm watch now. I don't know what to say at this point. This storm is mind-blowing right now. Last week we got lucky. This time we're not going to get that lucky at all. Because we're right now going to get bold. We're right now in the middle of a severe thunderstorm. So we look at the SPC outlook. We're gonna keep an eye on it because they're upgrading. They're considering upgrading it again. Oh. 5%, under 45% of significant. We look at the day 2. Okay. Oh, this could be one of those days. Yesterday, they were saying a slight risk. I was like, it can't be that bad. This morning, they upgraded it to a moderate risk. And then now could be still moderate, but recovering it. We took 7 p.m. as well. Okay. The National Weather Service right now, it's on top right now. Trenton's under severe thunderstorm warning. Is it really? But right now, you can see it's both shape. They're right now it looked like more at the beginning. It was more like this. Now it's starting to develop that bow echo. It's right now. We see some rain as more cells are going to be developing right here along the cold front that is right here. As the cold front sinks south, these storms will go sink south. Storm right here will sink south as these are still going to push off towards Madison. So, yes. Oh, that 8 mile-per-hour winds? Yeah, 80% miles per hour winds is pretty strong. Very strong, actually. So this storm will continue to grow as of right now. This entire area, well, not this entire, this is more of a good, mostly, is under, well, not really. Yes, let me explain it. It's right now, right here. So, this is very strong storm. It's pushing towards a new end. Well, it's about to hit Grinnell. If we look at velocity, these strong winds are about here. You can see there's some. It's probably very calm throughout here. This storm, as you can see some rapid intensification coming from the storm. These yellows and oranges are right now expanding. As we saw when it was like the storm was back here, that was how big the strong winds. Now it's around the size of here, pretty strong, but forecasted it's expected to be like this big when it gets. So let's see what it does. But cellular development though has been doing very well on the southern edge of the storm, as it's been struggling to make cells for cellular growth here, but around here it's gonna have an easy time, since back here they've already been hit by some light rain, at least by Creston anyways. They've already gotten all this, so it's gonna be really hard, since they need to convert all that storm energy, that since it didn't rain around here. So if we look at the storm, what do they use? So if you look this up, we are right now doing. Yes, yeah, both. We need to see the upper level winds before we. They definitely have it. Yep, they definitely have the winds. Whereas we have the southerly flow right now we have the upper level winds from the Gulf are right now that have been driving this air are right now pushing right into the storm. So we have some hot air. So the storm has a pretty good bow echo though. That was a pretty actual pretty bow echo, to be honest. So right now, so it's supposed to get colder. As the cold front is around here. This is gonna start driving to the south. Which would push down the energy, since north of here we see severe. This is the Vietnam warning here. Let's see what's going on up here. Let me see this. What's going on here? 60 miles per hour winds. Okay. But this storm it's not raining there, but that doesn't mean it can't issue a severe thunderstorm warning. They're just having 60 miles. This is entire gust front as it's now beginning to push east. Apparently this is a tornado. This is still wrong. Maximum shear is, but still it does have a mesocyclone. Mesocyclones are possible. Still, don't think we're gonna see a high tornado probability unless it's coming from the south, since the main line located around here is tracking down there are right now they're capable of producing tornadoes, but for that they need to have embedded supercells ahead of it. Okay, is it back on one? I think it's back on then. Okay, it is. We crashed again. So, like I was saying, if we need tornadoes, there had to be embedded supercells ahead of this. So if we had add supercells right here, or right around here, ahead of the storm, if we want tornadoes. But I don't think we're gonna have anything like that. So right now, we're gonna end stream eventually, and we are gonna take it outside because my iPad needs a charge. So I don't know what to say now. Yeah, it looks like they're trying to make some supercells around here. But any cellular growth is possible, since right now, I don't know, but this is pretty strong. Let's see what's the rainfall we got in. Yeah, it hasn't been much of a rain event. Well, for the north it has 3 inches of rain right here. As I think it's still falling. Okay, they changed colors. So the blues. So they're expected 3 inches, yeah. Okay, and it's still falling. Still falling, by the way. So, I don't know. This storm is strong. Just saying that already. So, let's see what's going on, what they're saying. See what the, Noah's saying about the rain. We'll see the hourly forecast. Likely 90% chance of rain. Let's see today. Quarter and a half an inch, half an inch to 3/4 of an inch. Yeah, you're saying 90% chance of rain, likely. So, this is. Let's see what has been doing, what's been going on there. Yep, under a high risk, moderate risk actually, high. So, it doesn't matter.
You want a sandwich? Yeah. Alright. Do you want to eat now or do you want me to wait like a few minutes?
Now.
Okay. What do you want fruit wise? Do you want grapes, strawberries, apples?
Apples.
You want apples? Alright. And then a bologna sandwich or do you want a pastrami sandwich?
One.
Bologna? I'm asking you a lot of questions, Ethan.
So we'll be gone for a while, so it's gonna change radars. We're gonna keep this running for a while. We'll be back. end the stream here. We'll see you on the real live stream. We'll be live outside. We'll be back in like an hour or two.